Number 1, 1975 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $2,500. The 1975 Plymouth Valiant is a classic compact car known for its durability and simplicity. This particular model is a one-owner vehicle with only 32,000 original miles. It features a 225 slant-6 engine paired with a 3-speed 904 automatic transmission. Despite its age, the car is all original except for a few replaced components such as the lock cylinder, ignition switch, voltage regulator, ignition module, radiator, and hoses. The car was bought new in Chattanooga, TN, and driven until 1993 to 94 by an elderly lady. While it runs and drives around the yard and the transmission shifts smoothly, the trunk pan and gas tank are rusted out. This Valiant is an excellent candidate for restoration due to its low mileage and mostly original condition. Located in Gainesville, Georgia. Number 2, 1972 Plymouth Scamp, priced at $2,500. The 1972 Plymouth Scamp is a compact car that shares its platform with the Dodge Dart. This model has driven 65,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It does not run currently, but it has a 318 engine under the hood. The Scamp's design combines the practicality of a compact with the styling cues of the early 70s. With only 2 previous owners, this vehicle could be a great project car for someone looking to restore a classic Plymouth. Located in Milton, Florida. Number 3, 1953 Ford Custom Line, priced at $3,000. The 1953 Ford Custom Line is a classic mid-century car known for its solid build and straightforward design. This particular model, driven 60,000 miles, comes with a manual transmission and a gray exterior with a black interior. The seller includes 2 small block Chevy engines with an engine mount kit, a rebuilt 4-speed transmission, and an 8-inch rear end with 340 gears. This car needs to be sold quickly, and no reasonable offer will be refused. The Ford Custom Line represents the early 50s era of American automotive design and engineering. Located in Springfield, Massachusetts. Number 4, 1967 Mercedes-Benz S-Class 250S, priced at $3,000. The 1967 Mercedes-Benz 250S is part of the W108 series, known for its luxury and advanced engineering for its time. This model, driven 100,000 miles, features a manual transmission and a brown exterior and interior. The car was originally blue and painted brown in Germany before being imported to the US. Although the body is in good shape, the rocker panels and floor trunk need significant work due to rust. The engine was started for the first time in 30 years with a proper key obtained from Germany, but it has not been started in the past 2 years. This 250S is an excellent candidate for restoration, especially for fans of classic Mercedes-Benz models. Located in Rochester, Michigan. Number 5, 1955 Ford Fairlane, priced at $3,000. The 1955 Ford Fairlane is a classic American car known for its stylish design and powerful V8 engine. This 2-door sedan has driven 58,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. While it is a project car, it can be made road-ready with some minor work, including installing a new radiator, gas tank, brake lines, and cleaning the carburetor. The car is in good shape overall and has a clean title. The Fairlane represents the elegance and innovation of mid-50s American automobiles. Located in High Ridge, Missouri. Number 6, 1978 Plymouth Valari, priced at $2,600. The 1978 Plymouth Valari is a compact car known for its practicality and smooth ride. This station wagon model has driven 36,164 miles and features an automatic transmission. It is equipped with a 318 engine and a newer Flowmaster exhaust system. The car runs well but has been sitting unused for a couple of years. It has a solid body, factory plaid interior, good tires, and rims. The title was rebuilt years ago. The Valari was a popular choice for families and commuters during the late 70s, located in Etowah, Tennessee. Number 7, 1963 Ford Galaxy, priced at $3,000. The 1963 Ford Galaxy is a full-size sedan known for its spacious interior and smooth ride. This model has driven 60,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives, but should be trailered until it is thoroughly checked over. It has a good body and frame, with new carburetor, tires, battery, and manifolds. The Galaxy was a popular choice for families and is now a cherished classic among collectors. Located in Galesville, Wisconsin. Number 8, 1978 Dodge Aspen RT, priced at $3,000. The 1978 Dodge Aspen RT is a sporty compact car known for its performance and distinctive styling. This model has driven 77,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It runs and drives, but is considered a project car. The car has minimal rust, factory spoiler, and window louvers. The Aspen RT was part of Dodge's attempt to create a sporty and affordable compact car during the late 70s, located in Wapakoneta, Ohio. Number 9, 1978 Oldsmobile 98, priced at $2,700. The 1978 Oldsmobile 98 is a full-size luxury sedan known for its comfort and smooth ride. This model has driven 141,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The car is being sold for parts or repair, but it has a good motor and transmission with all fluids changed. It drives, making it a good candidate for restoration or a parts donor for another project. The Oldsmobile 98 was one of the flagship models for Oldsmobile, representing the pinnacle of luxury and performance for the brand. Located in Ahoskie, North Carolina. Number 10, 1974 Mercury Comet, priced at $3,000. The 1974 Mercury Comet is a compact car known for its simplicity and reliability. This model is a good restoration project with a straight body. It needs work but has potential due to its solid structure. The Comet was designed to be an affordable and practical car, making it a popular choice during the 70s. Located in Memphis, Tennessee. Number 11, 1960 Studebaker Lark, priced at $2,300. The 1960 Studebaker Lark is a compact car known for its unique design and practicality. This model features a V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It does not run currently and is sold as is for cash only. The Lark was part of Studebaker's effort to create a compact car that offered both style and functionality. This car is a great candidate for a restoration project. Located in Portal, Georgia.